Guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing for the October Potomac beads box. This is the treasure subscription. It's formerly the regular one. I can't talk today again. There's 10 to 20 different packs of stash beads. The stash beads may include a new collection each month, same products in multiple colorways. They also have 2 to 3 inspirational videos provided for each box. On their YouTube channel, you can see that. There's premium stash beads such as crystals, Czech glass, pearls, seed beads, premium metals, and etc. Past boxes will become a la carte after several months. The price monthly is $39.99. If you want to do it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you want to do it annually, that's the best price. It's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. I will leave a link below to their website if you want to check it out. So, sorry I'm so late on this. I had a family emergency. I was up in Chicago for 8 days, so it's already I think the 22nd. So this is Ghoulish Goodies. As the wind weaves its haunting melody through the trees, it's the perfect opportunity to cozy up indoors. Picture yourself with a bead-on-it board on your lap, a sleek black cat as your companion, and immerse yourself in the delights of this year's bead harvest. Very cool. Oh, look at this. Look at this Czech glass mix. Oh my gosh. Oh, how much fun is this? Oh, look at that. So let me, oh, look at those little scary faces. Let me get everything set up and I will be right back. Okay, so we're starting out with the gemstone round beads, 8mm. And these are white magnesite. Very pretty. I love all the textures on these. They're not just like a flat white, but they have like all the striations in them. Very pretty beads. And next are the Czech glass daggers, 17mm. These are really nice. The thing about Potomac's beads is they're always, you know, there's never any like imperfections in them. I've noticed. I've been opening this box for, I think, almost like 7 months now. I think we were going on 7 or 8 months. And I never see anything wrong with these beads, you know, and usually, you know, there's a bead here or there that makes a little oblong. Not these. Look how pretty those are. And next is the Czech glass leaves in lavender, 14mm. Oh, and they have a hole right up here at the top. You can stick a jump ring through there and make a little dangle necklace or some earrings, attach it to a chain, or lots of things you can do with these. Or you can attach them right onto a necklace and just have it like that. So pretty. We got that. And next is the Czech glass Voodoo Funny Face. There's 2 of them. These are perfect for Halloween. Look at that. Look how cute those are. And they're the same on both sides. And the hole goes through there like that. Look how cute those are. Oh, nothing says Halloween like that. Next is Czech glass press squares Fire Swirl. Oh, look at these. There's one hole. So pretty. I love Czech glass. It's just, it comes in so many different shapes and colors and textures, and I love the striations going on in there, the little wavy lines. Give it so much dimension to the beads. Can't wait to work with this box. Next is Czech glass faceted rounds, 4mm, or 4, they're 10mm, there's 4 of them. So pretty. I love that they're faceted. It just gives such a sparkle. And look at that. You can make 2 really cool pairs of earrings and put a couple on each one. You get a lot of sparkle in them. And next is the Miyuki seed beads, transparent Montana. And these are 8/0s. I'm not going to take these out. But these are always nice to have. And next, I love the name of this. These are cut buttons, etched slipperet. I think that is the funniest name. But it's such a gorgeous, gorgeous bead or button, you know, whenever you get that slipperet one. Look at that. Look at it, just it's got such dimension to it. So pretty. And next, we have 2 of Czech glass round smooths. This one's topaz. So pretty. And the next one is Czech glass round orange. So pretty. And the next is a thread cutter with a cover, Potomac beads, high quality for cutting thread, thin wire, textiles, yarn, and more. Spring action handle, 4.5-inch thread cutter. So I'm looking forward to this. Very cool. And next are the Potomac pearls. These are cream. They're 4mm. Their pearls are always so pretty. A couple months ago, we got these burgundy berry ones. They were gorgeous. They were absolutely beautiful. I used up every single one out of the box. So yes, look at this nice long strand. You could just put these on a string and just make a set of, you know, make a pearl necklace out of it. And now this looks like so much fun. Czech glass mixed beads. Let me pull. These babies look fun. Look at all the different, oh my gosh. So much fun. Look at these. The holes right through there. They kind of look like butterflies. Like if you look at them this way, they look like butterflies. Really cool. We got some like leaf ones. I don't know if this is. We got some of these almost look like the squared ones, the other one's a bit bigger. Really pretty. I love these kind of beads, the texture of them. Oh, here's another one of the, look like a butterfly. We got a couple of these gorgeous drop beads. So pretty. I'm gonna put these in here as I'm taking them out. Then look at these little ones. they're there. They're like little, they almost look like little black dice. They're fun. Let's see how many we have here. There's 8 of them. Yeah, and see, they look like little dice. Some of them got 3, some of them got 5. And the hole goes through the long way. Those are really cool. We have a couple, I think these are tulips. Got like a gold one and like a bright pink lavender kind of color. Those are pretty. And we have, there's some leaves. Let me see what else. Some leaf beads. These are just some little odd shaped beads. These almost look like shark's teeth. 2, 3. I think that was it for them. Kind of a cool look to them. And we got some leaves. We got some little wavy. Got some more dangles at the top there. Just some really fun little beads. A few little flower caps. And some different little ones. So there's another one of those little like dice. And then one of these beads. Just really pretty. Love these. And then next is Checklist Flat Nugget Travertine. 24 millimeters. This is so pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, look at that. Look at the, wow. I love this side with that circle. This is so pretty. And next, how fun are these? Checklist square rings. 6 of them in AB Peridot. Oh, these are cool. And you know, I was doing another unboxing for another company, and they had something kind of like this, but it wasn't totally like this. And what I ended up doing was putting beads in between these and using these as spacer beads. You know, we think we have to thread through here and have this showing, but actually, you know, having something like this, like if you were to make a pair of earrings and stack these like that, that would give a really cool shape to the earring, you know. So there's lots of different ways to use those. Next is Perfect Form Endless Rings 20 millimeter Premium Antique Brass Plating. There's 5 of them. These are fun because you can, they're nice and sturdy. You can wire wrap these. Oh, here, last one's in here. You can wire wrap these and hang stuff by them. There's a lot you can do with these. The possibilities are endless. Next is beading needles. Bead Tech beading needles. English beading needles for bead weaving and seed bead projects by Bead Tech. So really nice. You can never have enough of these, that's for sure. And next is Dragon Thread Bobbin. Green 5 meters, size 6 dragon thread. I don't know if you can see, it's get really pretty green. And next are the large oval spring clasp. So, oh, I'm sorry, it pushes in like that. Okay, so it pushes in like that. It's pretty. It's got 2 oval, like huge jump rings on it. Definitely a nice thing to have. And then last but not least, we have the Potomac crystal bicones in hyacinth and light peridot. Oh, look at these. Whoa. You need sunglasses to look at these babies. Wow. Gorgeous. Oh. It's like I just want to make a bracelet just with those on them. And look at the hyacinth ones. These are just as gorgeous. Oh, hold on, one fell. I cannot lose even one of these babies. Look how pretty they are. Oh my God. It's like you're mining for diamonds. What's there not to love about beads? Look at these. Potomac Beads has outdone themselves again. Never disappointed with this box. And I love how, like, they'll send you something random, and then some of the stuff matches, some of it doesn't, so you can work with some of the stuff. Some stuff you can put for your stash. Just, you know, you can use every single thing in this box. So pretty. So my mind is racing with ideas right now, I will say. And this Czech glass mix is off the charts. So I will leave a link below to the Potomac Beads box, and also a link to my Etsy store, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest if you're interested in following me on any of those. And stay tuned, because I am going to be doing a tutorial with these goodies. So until then, I will see you on my next video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please think about doing so, because I have a lot of fun tutorials coming up. So I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching.